Hello. Good morning, everybody. Well, then, now we're going to be continuing where we left off yesterday with covering the basics of the BBS platform. So, this one is on how do you make a good post. You start at the top with your topic, and remember, every BBS you go into, that's what you make your topics around. So, this one is on the BBS training and tactics. You see here, normally I just be in my worldwide, but that's for the global news, all of that. This one is BBS training and tactics, where we just learn about the platform. So like this video will be coming into this BBS. For the people that join on later, they'll be seeing this on how to make a good post. So you start with the picture or video. Well, the picture could be anywhere, the video could be anywhere in the post. You could decide top, middle, or underneath. Now you take your picture, and then basically you just build your text around the picture. You pick the picture, you pick the topic, just describe it, you know, talk to the people. And then, so that's your text, like I would say, don't use the highlighting. This is like the fonts and stuff, like the bold does help things to stand out. The highlight and the underlining, I would say leave that alone. And then underneath your text, you end with your name, because these things are publishings, and the pictures too. If you take a picture, you're supposed to put the link where you got that picture from, unless it's a created picture that you made yourself for the editors and all of that. Well, then you ain't got to worry. But for somebody that just shares a picture from the internet, yeah, right now these things ain't making too much money, but when you making like hundreds or thousands from somebody else's picture, yeah, they can come and sue you. These are things that we covered early months ago on the platform. So if you go back, you would see me saying these things. But if you take a picture from the internet, add the link and add your name underneath your post, because it's a publishing. So that's the three things. You got your heading that has to your whole topic that has to be fitting with the BBS. You got your picture to help your post spring out a little more. And then you got your text signed with your name. That's all it is. And then the more people comment and things,